10 most beautiful places in Italy to visit. Florence, nestled in the heart of Tuscany, is a city that exudes elegance and artistic grandeur. From the magnificent Duomo to the iconic Ponte Vecchio, every corner of Florence is a feast for the eyes and a testament to the Renaissance period. It is also home to celebrated museums, historic markets, and magnificent gardens. Tuscany is famous for beautiful hill towns, but few are quite as stunning as San Gimignano. Here, a dramatic skyline of medieval towers gazes out over the gorgeous, rolling Tuscan countryside. Strolling through its cobbled streets, visitors are transported back in time, surrounded by ancient architecture and the charming Tuscan countryside. Tuscany is an idyll of olive groves, vineyards, hill towns, and frescoed churches. Late medieval Tuscany was the birthplace of Italian culture and remains the essence of what travelers imagine Italy to be. One of the best ways to explore the wonders of Tuscany is by visiting one of the many vineyards, such as Azienda Agricola Malanchini and Azienda Agricola Villanoviana. Lake Garda, the country's largest lake, is encircled by dramatic mountains and is a haven for water sports enthusiasts and nature lovers. Sailing across Lake Garda offers a breathtaking experience with its tranquil beauty. It's a must-visit destination when in Milan. Positano, a hillside town on the Amalfi coast, is instantly recognizable for its pastel-colored houses that tumble down the hillside and hug the waterfront. This charming village offers magnificent coastal views, inviting beaches and winding streets lined with quaint shops and restaurants. It's a place where one can unwind, soak up the sun, and indulge in the delights of Italian coastal living. These are just a few of the most beautiful places in Italy that you must visit. Each destination offers its own unique charm and beauty, showcasing the rich history and natural wonders of this incredible country. Plan your Italian adventure and experience the magic for yourself.